What's just the cheapest car? €1 car. Officially, it's officially a €1 car. And say hello to Lucia. 800 kilometers A to B over the Alps on the journey to see if this car can be crowned the cheapest car in Europe. Only on Wimpy Brothers. So now we're finishing at Lamborghini. The next pit stop, the next challenge for the old 600 Fiat 600 is the border. No chance, mate.
Can't click.
Every trip. I'm in a tunnel. Let's hear that roar. Wow, power. I can see mountains. I can see mountains. The border, I can see it. There's the Alps. This is some beautiful driving now. I love driving through these mountains. It's beautiful. Shame I'm not in one of those Lamborghini or whatever. One of them carbon ones, but still. Loving the views. Really struggling now with the hills. Yeah, struggling to get up these mountains. Come on, you can do it. I'm glad, really glad actually, because I think the mountains plus with what would have been that midday heat. Whoa. You can do it, Lucia, you can do it! Right, almost there to the border. Right, the reserve light came on and yeah, it started to dwindle pretty rapidly, so luckily, hopefully this is a 24-hour job. But yeah, more juice, more essential fluids, and do it. Just seen a red like injector light come on, what's that? I've not been down a road better than this. Bring the GT out here. Brilliant. Don't want to do that. Don't want to be breaking down, not on these roads. Did you hear that, Lucia? The reason why obviously the cars break down is it's such a strain on the engine and clutch. Speaking of clutch, well, both man and car, I can safely say, are smelling absolutely terrible. Lucia, you stink. Your burning clutch stinks. That's definitely clutch. I might need to stop. Right, I think me and Lucia have been enjoying ourselves a bit too much. Just pulled over quick because I just wanted to check that Lucia's lights are working. Yeah. So check out the back. Oh yeah, good. Yeah, it was €1. What are you chatting for? Come get me, come get me. Whoa. Where is that border? Come on, girl, come on, girl. We're not far now. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the border? There she is! Francia! Yes! Yes! think of Lucia sat in that auction site in Boulogne, going through the auction time after time, no one wanting her, no one wanting her. Suddenly gets down to €1. Surely she must think she's getting scrapped. But oh no, look at her now. I'm not going to say tearing up these alpine roads, but I'm sure she's enjoying it as much as I am. Let's have it. Come on, Lucia. Well done, girl. Well done, Lucia. We did it. We did it. €1 car. Across the border and on the top of the world. Yeah. That's for you. Well done. I don't think I've ever been so proud of a car. Yeah. Now that is what it's all about. Right, so no more batteries on any camera, got no more storage left on my phone, which is why I'm down to my old GoPro. But I've given a phone call to my mate Guillaume and Adeline. They've got a bed for me to sleep in, and I believe a tasty bit of food. Can't wait. Let's be having it. Oh, we made it. We've made it. Right. Oh, let's go and find my mate. Thank God I wouldn't have made it home. Right, let's go and get a beer. Let's go and get a beer. It's like a wince, like she's like, yeah, not another corner. More. Yeah, there's plenty more.